Nothing, dear European friends, nothing that we are, think and dream belongs to us alone. Everything is inherited, everything is transmitted. Europe is not news, it is neither an invention nor an achievement of our time. The European idea is more than just geography. We have received it as a gift from the past, from past generations.
It's the best place for my children. It's not a better place elsewhere, I'm sure. The second one, he begins as being very culturally interested.
And this is very interesting if I'm thinking, for example, of myself. It started for me already in the 60s. This was just after Charles de Gaulle and Konrad Adenauer have signed a contract.
My name is Tim Wagemakers, I'm from Amsterdam, and the reason I want to join this project is because I think that the story of Europe is a bigger story than we tell right now, and I'm curious to find out if we can enrich the stories with different voices, with different perspectives, and in that way make the story of Europe a bit more grand and a bit more rich, and I hope we can use that to argue with each other why we think Europe is important nowadays.
My name is Felix Ringo, and I was born in Berlin, actually in East Berlin, and so the story of Europe for me is a story of falling borders. And personally I'm a social anthropologist, and right now I live in the UK. I'm married to a Brit who is also Irish, and these are all the reasons that bring me to this project.
I'm Barbara Mead, I'm from Ireland, and I've come here mostly because I was invited by a friend who thought that it would be nice to chat. And I love hearing stories, and I've previously collected other stories, and I just think it's really important for us to know our history in order to know where we're going. I think there's so much to learn from the older community, and I'm really excited to interview somebody from Ireland whom I haven't picked yet, but I'm really excited about meeting them, learning about them, and I suppose, yeah, learning from them.
Hello, my name is Heinz Bude. I come from Sarajevo, Bosnia and Herzegovina. The reason why I am a part of this project is because I truly believe that, and as cheesy as it sounds sometimes, that if we ignore the lessons from the past, then our present and our future will not be the same positively in that way. And coming from a country which has suffered terrible atrocities in war in 1992 to 1995, and I know how important that one sentence is: never again, never again, never again. So I think that we should always be reminded in a very good way, constructive way, what happened in the past, so we can learn our lessons for the future.
Hello, my name is Evelien Roels. I'm from the Netherlands, and I'm living in Germany, where I'm working on a PhD project. And I'm part of this project because I am really looking forward to speaking with an elder generation about their ideas about Europe and their experiences and how they envision Europe in the future as well.
I'm Vít, and I come from the Czech Republic, and Europe means for me an universal idea that which we can strive toward in an endless progress, and it's an idea that will transcend the particular nation states that exists now.
Hi, my name is Jakob. I'm originally from Berlin, and I'm here today at Archive of Voices. I'm very happy to participate in this project, trying to support all of these interesting people that will be traveling to their home countries or to other countries in Europe and talking to people who were born between 1920 and 1940. I think it's an absolutely valuable project that will offer an in-depth insight into a European generation that will soon cease to live. And so thank you very much for having me today.
So I'm Valentina Velosa, and I'm a medical doctor coming from Italy but working in Germany, and I had getting involved in working on Europe or Arbeit in Europa because I think Europe means possibilities, and it means possibilities for most or a lot of the people in our generation, and I think it's really worth to sustain and to appreciate what Europe can mean for us. And this time we're working on the so-called Archive of Voices, so we're trying to record and to interview people who had a meaning and an importance in the 20th century. And I think it would be really important to understand how these intellectuals saw Europe back then, in order also to get back to appreciate what the concept of Europe really means. So freedom, peace, and getting together again, especially now when the concept of Europe is so challenged, like in the last few years. So this is, I think, one small opportunity and possibility to get involved in the European project, and this is why I'm here.
Grande, okay.